Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, I am talking about the importance of checking your sprinklers. And this might seem like a boring video for some, but you have to go check your sprinklers every single few months or maybe even a month. You know, here in Phoenix, we don't really use sprinklers a whole lot, but in California, my lawn was so touchy and it needed constant attention. So let's do it. This one's looking a little underpowered. Let's check the other ones. Oh shoot, I gotta go fix that. I'm glad I checked this. Hold on a second. Let me set this down. All right guys, so the sprinkler is busted off, so I gotta stop it. I've had a lot of experience with sprinklers, so it's gonna... Hold on. I'm gonna get some rocks. Rocks will plug it. Okay. Pull out more rocks. Okay. Alright, well. Help! I don't know. Well, clearly that is not the way to do it. Let's try to figure out how to do this the right way. So what I just did right now is I went and I just shut off the valve with the box. Now I'm gonna go get my golden trenching shovel. We're gonna dig that sprinkler up. These threads look really good. I'm gonna be able to use that for the next one. So right here, since this is a different sprinkler, they have different heights, but I want to check to make sure it's gonna pop up above the grass. All right, that looks good. Gonna go ahead and put back in the grass and then go ahead and test it out. And just like that, the sprinkler is officially replaced. That's my sprinkler valve, and this is the drip valve. And you can tell by the inline filter pressure regulator that I have here, so I know that's a dripper valve. All right, so I know I got it over here on the tree, and would you look at that? Another issue with the sprinklers. Man, how much water have I been losing every single time these turn on? I have no clue how long these have been like that. Wow. Well, this will be easy fix. Just gonna go over here. Just gonna go pinch it off. Just like a garden hose, everybody knows how to do this. Give it a little snip. Where'd that darn dripper go? Darn, lost the dripper. Ah, man, this is frustrating sometimes. I always do this. Lose tools, lose everything. Watch that be my last dripper and then I can't finish this project. Oh my goodness. They should make these like fluorescent yellow. Look where this was. Right next to everything. Jeez, man. Green side here. And would you look at that. Just gonna do a quick glance around the yard and then we are done. The sprinklers and the dripper are officially patched up. Man, I really don't know how much water I was losing every single time I had the valve turned on. Man, I could be losing hundreds of thousands of gallons. I don't even know, but I'm glad I did it. All right, well, I really think that this yellowing of the grass that I'm seeing is from the sprinklers being under pressure from that busted sprinkler over there, just spewing water freely. You know, even though it's 110 degrees here now, the grass should still be green. So I'm really thinking that this will change it and make the grass green again. And you know what? Maybe you should go check your sprinklers now too. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching the video. If you learned something, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.